let's see how to create a monthly calendar in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open Microsoft Word. And to create a calendar, we have three options, with the first one being a manual calendar, where you have to go to the Insert tab and add a table right here. However, as we know, that is very exhausting. And to do it faster, click on the Insert tab again and click on Table. And right here, you will see the option to have quick tables, and you will have some options regarding calendars. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for example, let's try calendar number 1. And as you can see here, we have our December calendar for the entire month. And as you can see, we can also edit this calendar. For example, if you want November, that should be editable. Now, another way to do this is by simply going to the File tab and click on More Templates right here. And as we want a calendar, let's search for that one. And right here, you can simply click our calendar. Click on Create, and there you go. You have a calendar ready. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.